Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to schedule an email in Gmail for 2025. This handy feature lets you send emails at the perfect time without staying up late or rushing in the morning. Super useful for professionals, students, or anyone juggling a busy schedule. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you're logged into your Gmail account on a web browser. If you're on mobile, this works best on the desktop version for full functionality. Step 1. Open Gmail and click on the Compose button to start a new email. Type in your recipient's email address, add a subject, and craft your message just like you normally would. Step 2. Once your email is ready, look for the arrow next to the Send button in the bottom right corner. Click that arrow, and a menu will pop up with options. Step 3. From the menu, select Schedule Send. You'll see a calendar pop up where you can choose the exact date and time for your email to go out. Gmail even suggests common times like tomorrow morning or next week. Step 4. Pick your desired date and time. Don't forget to check your time zone in settings to avoid any mix-ups. After selecting, hit Schedule to confirm. And that's it. Your email is now queued and will send automatically at the specified time. If you need to make changes, head to your Sent folder. Scheduled emails will show up there with a Cancel Sent option. One quick tip. This feature works on both personal and Google Workspace accounts, but always double-check for any updates in 2025 settings. Scheduling emails can save you tons of time and help you stay organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.